Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact conversation where you want a word effect. Tap the composer and type the message, focusing on the single word or short phrase to change. Once done, highlight or long press that word so the app shows formatting or effect options. This triggers the tools you need. Make sure your Messenger version supports text effects and that any keyboard or accessibility overlay isn't blocking the effect menu, because that's why options sometimes don't appear. Once the effect menu is visible, tap the specific effect you want and watch the preview. This shows how recipients will see the word. You're changing not just appearance but emphasis, so choose an animation or color that matches tone. If controls allow, tweak intensity, duration, or color to avoid overdoing it. Make sure to preview on both Message Composer and Preview pane because some effects look different once sent, and adjustments now save you from resending. After you send, check the chat immediately to confirm the effect displayed as expected. If it looks right, you're done. If the word effect didn't apply, make sure both you and the recipient run the latest app version, then clear cache or force close and reopen Messenger. Once you've tried that, resend a short test message or use another device to determine whether the issue is device-specific versus account or app-wide. If problems persist, restart the phone before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.